We're now going to take a look in Lofty again of how to make another type of landing page. So again, you'll go here and you'll go to marketing at the top. Once you're in your Lofty, all the way down to landing pages. And then you'll be at this spot here. Go to the top, add a new landing page. And we're going to look at today how to do the open house listings landing page. So this gives your clients or anyone looking a list of all the open houses that are happening on the market. So again, we click select template and it opens up. Now, one of the interesting things you can do here is I can click this week, or I can show open houses for the month, 30 days, 7 days. And I remember once you build this link, it updates every day, every 10 minutes or more. It's supposed to be real time. So if I do for the next week open houses, it'll show all the current open houses for the next week on the MLS. If I want to offer more, I can do 30 days. I usually like to do about 3 days or a week. Today I'm going to put a week, so it says the next week it's going to show. Now the open house area, I can type in, for example, San Antonio. I can do any of these cities, subdivisions, all that stuff. The other interesting option we have here is if we hit plot, I can do it on the map. So I can shrink out my map to the San Antonio area, wherever I'm at now. Let me go San Antonio. See where I'm at. There it is, San Antonio, Texas. Okay, and I can jump to that spot. Hopefully it will take me there in a second. Come on. And now it's putting me in Washington, so I'm just going to jump over here myself to Houston. Okay, let me clear that. Let me try San Antonio again. It tried to get me to start drawing. All right, here we are, San Antonio. So again, once you pick the map area you want, I'm just showing San Antonio, for example. Let's say I wanted to do, I don't know, a map of, I want to see the satellite view instead of the map view. Say I wanted to do in the Northeast near military bases, because I like to work with military. So then I'd wait for it to reset. And there we are, looking at San Antonio. Now let's say, like I mentioned, I wanted to do Northeast. Say this is my area. I could just click on this little draw button. And as you see, I click once, let it go, and then I move my cursor, and then it lets me draw a big area just like this. Now the good thing is once I'm done, if I want to expand it more, I can go back to this little wheel, these buttons, and click and hold, and I can move my open house connection all around whatever drawings. Now this would be where I want my open houses to show. And then I hit OK. And now you can say I have next 7 days open houses, and then I'll change the title to Open Houses Northeast. And of course, it's going to be on the website. And then I hit save. And then it's going to load up and you'll see what it looks like. It's going to show a list of all the open houses for the next 7 days in the Northeast. Of course, this pulls from your MLS. So that's how you can get it from your MLS to make sure. And then as you can see, I can't publish it yet like usual. So I can't publish it like usual. So I have to go to these 4 buttons. Once I click on all these buttons and they're good to go, then I can publish it. But first, like before, we want to go to the second button, the settings button, go to page tracking and put in your Google Analytics and your Facebook Pixel if you have them. Those are whole other videos and trainings. Then you can learn how to do that, put in your Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. Then if you go to SEO and put in keyword relevance, this would be like open houses San Antonio. Something like that. Let me let it pick it up. Trying to load it up. Now I'll try also open houses near me. Just open houses Converse, anything like that. I have up to 100 characters, as you can see. And when I say get analysis, it doesn't let you do it till you publish it, but then you can have your open houses. So now these keywords are now tied into my page. So now I can get more views and more links that way when people are looking at them. And then again, your SEO analysis. So I'm going to hit publish. After I hit publish, it opens up. I want to click post to social. It's going to load up that post to social spot. And there it is. And I want to get this link because it has this silly AI thing. I have to wait for the AI to give me an option. If it doesn't start building this AI thing, you can go right here to these options and see right here, insert landing page. And I can just grab this open house link and put it right there. And then it gives you the link you need right here. I just do this so I could grab my open house link. Now, if I wanted to get all of it right now to copy easy, you can hit Control A or on an Apple Command A and highlight the whole thing and then copy it. So I have it, it's ready to go. As you can see, this doesn't look very cute, very sexy, so I'm not going to put it automated this way. I'll show you like I did last time. I'm just going to open up Facebook and post that link in Facebook, like what's on your mind. So there's the link. It shows all the open houses right there, open house listings. And then I would highlight the whole thing and delete it and say, you're looking to go to an open house this weekend or looking to stop by the next open houses. Then here's a list of all updated open houses or anything like that. And then it's ready to go. And then you would post it and then you'd be able to have your list of open houses. That's all you need is that link, and then you can put it in different places. Now, if I got rid of Instagram here and unconnected it, I could post automatically to Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google My Business. But as you can see, there's no real sexy picture here or anything. It doesn't look nice. Not a nice house or a pool, nothing like that. What I mean by that, also the Google My Business doesn't have a preview. It just has the link. So I want to do something different. So in the Google My Business, I recommend doing this yourself. You go to your Google My Business, of course. And then once you're there, when it loads, you're going to click Add Update and then Add Event. And then you would put a nice picture of a house. Then you could say list of upcoming open houses. And you could put today, the start date, you could leave that, or we put your open house date, whatever. And then for the details, you talk about how this is the list of all the open houses. And then you would hit Learn More. And then there's your link for all your button. And then if someone clicks it, it would automatically get taken to that squeeze page where it has a list of all your open houses. That's the better way to do it on Google My Business. Or again, you could also just go to add an update, and talk about here's a free list of all the open houses. Or the other place you could put it here is under products. You can add a product. Like right now I have all my homes for sale, but the product could be a list of open houses for one of your products. Any one of those things on your Google My Business that help you get leads. And then you see this is a nice looking link, has all these open houses loaded up everywhere in that area that I highlighted. It's showing all the open houses that are put on the MLS. So we should be good to go that way. And you should have a link for your clients. And again, this updates automatically, so you can use this link for as long